like someone called. Hey, it's okay. Hey, it's okay. Don't be afraid. Are you lost? Don't worry. I'll help you find your family. Chirp! Chirp! I saw elephant footprints near the river. Look! Elephants passed here recently. Come on, Piko. Let's follow the river trail. We'll find your family. You can do it. You do it. One step at a time. Chirp, chirp. You're stronger than you think. I'm right here. You can do it. It's okay. I'm with you. Chirp! I see them near the big banyan tree. Just a little more to go, Piko. This is it. Your family must be close. Hey, Piko, where are you going? Stop! I'm happy he's safe. Kindness can guide us through any jungle. Always help animals in need.